Presenting Test Data Manager from Datagaps, an AI-powered solution that generates realistic, privacy-safe synthetic data. It is designed to mirror your production environment without exposing sensitive information. So, your teams can test confidently, securely, and in compliance with today's strict data privacy regulations. Whether you're testing applications, ETL pipelines, or BI dashboards, Test Data Manager supports a wide range of use cases. Test Data Manager replaces sensitive fields with synthetic data, ensuring compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA without putting personal information at risk. For ETL validation, the application generates high volumes of synthetic records on demand. This allows your team to stress test data pipelines, optimize performance, and simulate scale without relying on production data. To validate data quality rules before a release, you can simulate edge cases and inject anomalies to catch problems early, before they reach production. And for BI platforms, Test Data Manager helps you test dashboards under realistic data conditions. So as data volumes grow or systems change, your analytics remain accurate and performant. Test Data Manager connects easily with major platforms, including Snowflake, Databricks, AWS S3 and Google BigQuery. It supports flexible deployment, on-premises or in the cloud, and scales to match the needs of your enterprise infrastructure. It automatically detects your data structures, relationships, and sensitive fields, so there's no need for manual setup. With built-in data masking and machine learning-powered synthetic data generation, you get data that looks and behaves like production, without the risk. And if you need to handle specific edge cases, you can customize data generation using Python scripts, tailoring it to your test scenarios. Performance-wise, the application is capable of generating millions of records in just minutes. You can export data in formats like CSV, JSON, XML, or send it straight to your test databases. All of this is delivered through a user-friendly, low-code interface, built for both developers and QA testers. With Test Data Manager, you can accelerate your testing cycles, protect sensitive data, and ensure compliance. No matter your industry, scale, or environment, with Test Data Manager, bring intelligence and security to your testing workflows.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Scan the below QR code for free demo. Thank you.